Optimal Biofuels, operating under the trade name Facility Pros, is a distinguished provider of specialized facility maintenance and cleaning services with a strong presence in Southern California. Founded in 2008, Facility Pros has amassed 15 years of industry experience, establishing itself as a trusted and reliable partner in the realm of facility maintenance. Our commitment to excellence and unparalleled dedication to customer satisfaction have solidified our reputation as an industry leader in Southern California. Unlike many competitors, we don't service thousands of restaurants. Instead, we focus on bigger clients such as large hotels and luxury resorts, casino resorts, stadiums, and theme parks. Our areas of expertise include exhaust hood cleaning, pollution control unit maintenance, repair, sales, and installation, as well as preventative hydrojetting. Here's our vector of competitive differentiation. Our technicians are not just cleaners. They are skilled professionals with extensive on-the-job specialized training. We always assign at least one more technician to each job than needed to ensure service is finished earlier than promised. If one of our technicians calls in sick or there is an emergency work vehicle service needed, the pre-assigned extra technicians and spare work vehicles ensure that we are consistently on time with our scheduling. We deliver unmatched quality control. Exhaust hood cleaning inspections that we offer free of charge to our potential clients, such as yourself, meet the highest industry benchmarks, including those set by NFPA 96 and ICAW. After we sign a new client and start service, these inspections continue to be carried out by individuals in our company who are not involved in our regular exhaust hood cleaning services for the client and who do not personally know any of our cleaning technicians. Their only job is to ensure that NFPA 96 codes are met by our exhaust and PCU hood cleaning crews, and they are specifically trained to do the most thorough inspection of your entire exhaust hood systems. This level of independent quality control is rarely offered by any of our competitors. We leverage the latest advancements in cleaning technology to provide a superior service experience. Our state-of-the-art equipment and effective degreasing chemicals ensure a thorough cleaning and safety of the cleaning crews in the kitchens, all while minimizing disruption to your operations. Partner with Facility Pros today and let our unmatched expertise and commitment to excellence transform your facility maintenance needs, because when it comes to your business, only the best will do.